Time now for the weather watch tonight. The full moon will have stargazers seeing red with this first total lunar eclipse. Here is meteorologist Ryan Breton with more on when it will be visible. Ryan?
Well, Carmen, there is one important thing to consider. You have to at least have some breaks in the clouds to be able to see it, and that will be a bit of a problem for some of us tonight. But first off, here is what the lunar eclipse is. Essentially what happens here is the Earth blocks the light of the sun, which then casts a shadow on the moon. The unique thing about this is that it will be happening for an extended stretch of time tonight. So even though there are clouds in spots now, it is raining in spots as well. The total lunar eclipse begins at 11:29, and that's when the moon will appear a bit of a reddish color, and it lasts almost 90 minutes. So you do have a window of time where you may find some clearing and you'll be able to catch the moon. You just might have to be a little bit patient because we do have some rain actually in spots out there tonight, and actually some fog that's filled in on parts of the shoreline as well. This is the satellite radar right now. You can see fairly thick clouds with some rain moving into central parts of the state at the moment. Even a couple of downpours headed for the Naugatuck Valley. You can see them moving through the Newtown area at the moment, and some lighter rain around Hartford. So it will be a little bit of a struggle to see this the entire time. I don't think many places will, but you may be able to catch it for a few minutes here or there if you get lucky. Good news, it is mild out there tonight, so if you want to sit out on the back deck and look for the moon, it's 70 right now in Hartford. The temperature will drop a little bit as the rain comes down, 64 in New Haven. It is still muggy too, dew points up in the lower 60s in most of the state, indicating the moisture in the air. Now the humid weather continues tomorrow, but there is a pretty strong front that's going to be taking shape to our west. That comes in by the end of the day tomorrow, and with it will be some thunderstorms. The highest risk for severe weather is in this orange shading, a level 3 out of 5 risk to our west, upstate New York, parts of Pennsylvania and New Jersey. The idea is that as these storms will be coming into Connecticut, they'll start to encounter the air that comes in off the sound and weaken. So western Connecticut has the highest chance for any severe storms tomorrow. My thinking is that as they enter eastern Connecticut later in the evening, they'll start to lose some of their punch, but there still may be some thunder and lightning out there. So we'll go through this hour by hour. You can see the clouds out there at midnight, but some holes in the overcast too. So some of you may luck out and be able to catch a glimpse of the eclipse. By morning, it is mostly cloudy. We'll have mist, drizzle, and fog. There might be a passing shower during the day tomorrow, but I think the bulk of the action comes in late afternoon, early evening. This is 6 o'clock. This would be the potential for severe weather in western Connecticut. And watch what this particular model does as it moves east. It really weakens it considerably. So that's why I think the highest chance for any severe weather will be in western parts of the state, eastern Connecticut, a much lower risk for severe storms. Again, cooler at the shoreline tomorrow with that breeze coming in off the sound, but may get close to 80 again in the Hartford area. So out the door in the morning, it's humid, but it's likely dry. Then in the afternoon, we'll watch out for those storms, which probably hit after the kids are already home from school. After that front goes by, the humidity is wiped out for the middle of the week. Very nice for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. There will be a bit of a breeze a couple of those days, though. That's worth noting. And then look at next weekend. We have a chance to make a run toward 90 on Saturday inland and even the 80s at the shoreline. Just depends on the timing of that cold front next weekend. We'll see you with more coming up at 10:30.
Ryan, thank you.